So the opportunities for finding them in a mangled wreck within the next 36 hours, I think, are practically impossible. We are extremely concerned that, first of all, we haven't even found where the submersible is. And second, if we were able to find it, would we be able to rescue the inhabitants?
Because we know from the data we were using as a starting point was 96 hours. We know at this point we're approximately about 41 hours.
Yes, it's either a mechanical failure or an electrical failure. And I'm hoping it's an electrical failure because they do have weights. One of the safety procedures that they have is to make themselves lighter. So if you're heavier than the water, you sink. If you're lighter than the water, you float.